Okay?
Yes, teacher.
So, we have here an application for lunch at the end of the discussion. Okay, everybody read.
Keep in mind that listening is internally indispensable in teaching music.
Learn
Learn the difference between hearing and listening. Identify some practical technique when giving out listening.
Okay, so before ko mag-start sa discussion, nasa quick follow-up question. Okay, so can you imagine life without sound or without the ability to hear?
No.
Imagine mo, okay, raise your imagine answer. I imagine pa ninyo wala yung sound sa akong kinabuhi, ito hindi ka kadugo. Okay, Barry, so imagine. And why? Okay, can I stand up?
Because everywhere we can hear music and sound. So we can imagine wala yung sound.
Okay, very good. So, would it be possible for us to live without sound? Posible ba nga magbuhit ka o walay sound sa buhi?
And boring.
Posible ba nga magbuhit sa walay sound? May manawa?
Yes, teacher.
Posible ba magbuhit sa walay sound sa kalibutan?
Yes, we teacher.
Okay, nandun. Pero, sabay ka. Stand up. Meaningless na po na pag-live without sound. Okay. Every day we encounter master of sound, some are listening, some are noise, and sometimes we hear nothing but silence. So, every day na ako mag-encounter sa life is sunod siya makadoog taglaing lain sounds either ka ng mga music, pwede mga saba sa mga palibot.
Mga instruments, animals.
Saan po ko na maka-feel ko kami nga. So, basta ba sa inyo naka-feel din kami? Kanang silent lang. Kanang palibot. Naka-feel ko mo, Ana?
Yes!
So, have you ever experienced how different silence can be? Naka-experience ba mo pumunta ka lang? Kanang muna kung mabumag na kami nga nakasulit ba mo, Ana?
Yes.
Okay, so in our present hustle and bustle world, we rarely have time to hear silence. So, masay magod ka ng talag sa lang na maka-feel o ka na kami na mong kitag ka sa nagtrabaho, din ang responsibility to work on it, and also ka na nagdata obligasyon sa mga ka na gawa sa ng tali o ka na naka sa nagbuyo ka sa mga bukid-bukid na minang kayo na kayo na crowded, so maka-feel ka na now. Okay? Everybody read?
Hearing, listening as a fine oral skill.
So, what is oral skills? Ano may idea what is oral skill? Okay, so ba? Okay, Verily, naka-idea what is oral skill? Okay, so when we say oral skills, ability to hear, recognize, or understand the music. Okay, everybody read?
We hear music on an almost day-to-day basis from our personalized phone playlists, radio, television, social media, advertisements, church services, Naga ceremonies, birthdays, and other special occasions. Some might even consider that chirping of the birds a return of therapy.
Okay, so every day we hear different resources. It can be man-made, like that's transportation. It can be natural. Di ka sa natural, hindi kayo makatulog ka hangin, dito like howling, or di kayo mga bird chirping. Don't that every day. Alright. So, okay. Mark, can you read this statement?
The most direct way of consuming and appreciating music is to hear and listen to it. Since it is an oral phenomenon, it is important to know the difference between hearing and listening.
Okay. Okay, so Mark, so what is the difference between the hearing and listening? O saan ka na inaan nilang duha?
Si hearing teacher kay...
Okay, louder. Mark.
Lain ako lang ako si teacher.
Okay, who can help Mark?
Werner, teacher.
Werner.
One teacher. Listening is about receiving the information that's being said by the sender.
Okay, how about hearing? Werner.
Ha?
Ang hearing.
Mulat na siya.
Different. Okay,
Difference,
how about
no?
hearing? It's different.
Ako, teacher.
So,
Spelling.
Hearing, nakatubra ka.
Paying
hearing is
attention.
Nintendo na bitaw.
Hearing is mostly passive. We hear a lot of sounds simultaneously without paying attention to them. On the other hand, listening is a process which actively engage our brains as well as our ears.
Okay, so sakto to ang answer ni Warner, no? So when we say listening is nag-pay attention siya sa kanang communicate, exchange sila naman, interact na stage. While the hearing is nadunggan na nga to, like for example, inside the classroom, walang teacher is ang nag-discuss nila, while ang upan nga students is nagsimple lang, nag-scroll lang without paying attention. So wala siya, hearing, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so, Elsie, can you read this statement?
Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines listening as to pay attention to someone or something in order to hear what is being sung, played, quoted, and performed. Together with reading, writing, and speaking, listening is considered to be one of our language skills.
Do you have any idea about this statement? Okay, who can help Elsie? Dadanan? Do you have any idea?
So, according to Merriam-Webster, hearing daw, ay ang listening daw, ano na siya ka makapay attention ka sa lain na wala nasa eduhan. Unlike sa hearing, hindi mapay attention. So, together sa reading, writing, and speaking, kay mo na siya ang ganang four language skills and music.
Okay, very good. You have one. Okay, boys at the back, do you have any idea or other ideas about this? Please Inday. Do you have any idea about this statement?
According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, defines listening as I pay attention to someone or something. So, yes, because listening is maminong ka sa someone, hindi mo masaktan sa instrument, maminaw. So, important na listening sa iman.
Okay, very good. Next is, in educating our students through music, we are educating them to be active listeners and not just mere hearers of music. The goal is to enable our students to connect what they listen to in the music more for reaching concept and yeah. So, giving a statement is, for example, if a teacher provide siya music, okay, for example, ang teacher is provide siya music, and then he or she asks students nga usa nga emotion, usa nga kind of emotion, usa ila ma-feel through listening at the music. It's either sad ba or happy ba. Wala siya ka na one reason teaching in music.
Teacher, how about teacher in a student's like mood?
Okay, so, napoy time, anak.
Tactile. Ay, hindi ka na more school. Hindi na ako.
Nasinig daw, dali yung natanong itong ganang room or school without
Specific order na mo.
it's not just kasi ito sila dito sa mga natural lang naman. Dito sila dito ba yung learning style? Dito ba yung style na ako nasa sila mo na upang nanay. Na di ba lang yung mga bata na dili ka ba lumang istorya kung kahit bungo sila. Di ba? Di ba na dili ka ba lumang ito kung lectura sa pagpungo. So na yung ba na nga sila ka ng coordination. Oo, social dito sa mga bata.
expertise.
Sila yung sa ilang sila dito. Alam mas makakatulong sila. Okay, next. Okay, Michelin. Playing a track of music for the class, teachers, students, like characteristics, benefits, find the meaning and relationship between the sound, silent, and lyrics, and if possible, relate this to other concepts or subjects such as color, texture, art, mathematics, and events or astronomy. Do you have any idea or to add or share yung mga statement? Kanang, if the teacher teach the students like music, kailangan i-guide sila i-guide din sa teacher ang mga students para makabalo sila sa mga elements sa music and then naisipan nila ang mga kuwan, different notes, kuwan, very good. So you have a point. So as a teacher, kanang kita ang responsibility i-guide them para makabalo sila. Hindi sila makakasila sila i-kuwan dito sagad na sila na ginawan, it's our responsibility. Okay, for us, can you read this statement?
This does not require a lot of time and builds more interest than a typical testing lecture. Also trains learners to be focused and pay attention. As they continue developing their active listening skills, they may transfer the skill in other subjects like grammar and
Okay.
like based on nabasa ko kanang ang music is kanang hindi siya required na pumatay in teaching it unless if the student is not very knowledgeable in terms of ano subject. But then very easy to ano man siya kanang cope up with the subject. And also kanang ang music ay maapta siya lang siya sa kanang subject. Maapta siya sa
Okay, very good. You have a point. How about you, Popo? Do you have any idea? Okay, na may idea mo na yung statement? Okay, Gio? Gio, Gio. Do you have any idea? Sa kinanong ko lang. Bigyan mo ako ng statement. Yang teman.
Siya require taas nila mga oras ba? Alam sa students ko. Paano siya, interested siya.
Okay, so it's our responsibility na hindi siya explain sa mga students to keep focus or keep focus para makabalo sila sa music. So, I think this is the end of my discussion. So, I will give Mr. to continue our discussion this morning.